Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to May 28th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
Today's prompt is the first Indian independence movement. Let's journey back to 1857 and explore the revolt that ignited India's fight for freedom. Step 1. Learn about the causes of the 1857 revolt: economic exploitation, political suppression, and cultural disrespect. This powerful uprising, though it didn't end British rule, united people across India and planted the seeds of independence. Step 2. Meet the heroes of 1857. Discover Rani Lakshmibai, who led her army with courage, and Mangal Pandey, whose actions sparked the revolt. Their bravery shows the strength of standing up for justice. Step 3. Create a timeline of the revolt. Map key regions, events, and leaders to understand how this pivotal moment unfolded in India's history. Step 4. Bring history to life with a family role-play. Reenact scenes from the revolt to feel the emotions, struggles, and determination of those who fought for freedom. Step 5. Reflect together. Discuss the relevance of the 1857 revolt in today's world and how courage, unity, and resilience can inspire us to face challenges in our own lives. End the day with a creative activity. Write gratitude notes to honor the revolutionaries or draw artwork inspired by their bravery. The first Indian independence movement teaches us about historical awareness, patriotism, and resilience while strengthening family bonds through shared learning. Celebrate this remarkable chapter in history and let it inspire your family to embrace pride in your heritage. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.